we woke up on day 2 of our Trump presidency, and everything's going okay so far.
You know.
You gotta keep that open so every time someone says Trump, we hear like a really poorly played version.
Hey, he's doing the best he can.
Trump is now. Gosh dang it!
I do want to say, Trump did say that he wasn't going to. I tried calling Trump too, and he would not accept my concession speech.
He did it all caps, so you have to do it really loud. Drones.
I did say Trump twice now, Kyle.
Oh, no.
He's been pretty popular with the ladies in his younger days.
But you said, so this is still a thing? I can say Trump?
With Trump.
Kyle's getting drunker as he plays this or something. You guys should see if you can find this Donald Trump pillowcase on eBay or something like that.
So he didn't actually.
I'll give you $10.
Yeah, this. Oh. Yeah. Yes, the Donald Trump pillowcase. It's so bad. Because see, my thing is, I like to kind of blow through a game and be done with it. What, was Donald Trump in the room? Did I just
Sorry.
Gosh dang it!
You got to hashtag the Trump though.
Yeah.
Because it's on Twitter. I said all the males, and then I was like, that sounded too Trumpy, so I wanted to say all the genders.
We posted a couple things about the election and Trump being in now.
Go to.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. This show is so weird, guys, and I love it.